Dell docking stations simplify connecting two monitors to your laptop. They provide power, video output, and connectivity through a single USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. This is a typical Dell docking station, featuring various ports for connecting peripherals and displays. Setting up two monitors creates an efficient workspace, allowing you to view multiple applications simultaneously for better productivity. Connectivity is handled through USB-C or Thunderbolt cables, which carry both power and video signals in a single connection. This video will guide you through setup, ensuring optimal performance for increased productivity with dual displays. We'll cover the essential steps and considerations for a seamless experience. First, confirm your laptop's compatibility. It needs a USB-C port with DisplayPort alternate mode or Thunderbolt support to connect to a Dell docking station for dual monitors. Dell recommends models like XPS, Latitude, or Inspiron for optimal performance with their docking stations. For non-Dell laptops, use Dell's compatibility tool to verify support for docking stations and dual monitor setups. Also, ensure your monitors support the desired resolution, such as 4K at 60 Hz, and have the necessary ports like HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C for connection. Connect the Dell docking station to your laptop using the provided USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Then, connect your monitors to the dock's video output ports. Typically, use HDMI or DisplayPort for one monitor and USB-C or Thunderbolt for the other. The WD22TB dock allows daisy-chaining two monitors via a single Thunderbolt port. Power on the dock if required. Some models need an external adapter. Begin by downloading the Dell Dock software from the official Dell support website. Visit dell.com/support and navigate to the Drivers and Downloads section for your specific laptop model. Once downloaded, run the installer file and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. The software will auto-detect and configure your displays for optimal performance. Next, ensure your laptop's BIOS and firmware are up to date. Launch Dell Support Assist from your System tray or Start menu to check for and install any available updates. Proper drivers are crucial for optimal performance, ensuring full resolution support and preventing compatibility issues with your dual monitor setup. In Windows, access display settings through Settings and then Display. Here you can arrange your dual monitors by dragging them to match their physical positions. Choose to extend the displays for more workspace or duplicate them to mirror the same content. Set which monitor is primary and adjust resolution up to 4K at 60 Hz based on your monitor capabilities. For macOS, open System Preferences and select Displays. Arrange your monitors by dragging their icons to match the physical layout. Choose Mirror Displays if you want identical content on both screens. Adjust resolution and refresh rate options, selecting scaled resolutions to achieve up to 4K at 60 Hz, depending on your monitors and Dell dock capabilities. If a monitor isn't detected, first check the cable connections between your laptop, dock, and monitor. Ensure all cables are securely plugged in and use compatible connectors. Next, ensure the correct input source is selected on the monitor itself. Press the input button on your monitor and choose the appropriate port, such as HDMI or DisplayPort. Finally, try restarting your laptop in the docking station. Unplug the dock's power, wait 10 seconds, then reconnect and power on your laptop. To resolve detection or performance issues, update your graphics drivers and the docking station's firmware. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website or use Dell's Support Assist for dock updates. If you experience color banding on 4K setups, enable HDR in your monitor settings. Go to Windows Display Settings or your monitor's OSD menu and turn on High Dynamic Range for better color depth. Dell offers a range of docking station models designed for different needs and budgets. Let's explore the key models WD22TB, WD19TB, and UD22. The WD22TB is Dell's flagship Thunderbolt 4 dock, perfect for high-performance setups. It supports up to 3 4K monitors at 60 Hz or a single 8K display at 30 Hz. It also provides 100-watt USB-C charging, gigabit Ethernet for wired connectivity, and AI-optimized power management to reduce energy use. The WD19TB uses Thunderbolt 3 technology and supports dual 4K monitors at 60 Hz. It receives regular firmware updates for improved compatibility with Windows 11 and Mac OS, making it a solid choice for professional workflows. The Universal Dock UD22 is a cost-effective choice for basic dual monitor setups. It supports two 1080p monitors through USB-C connections and doesn't require an external power adapter for simple configurations. When choosing a model, consider your resolution requirements and budget. The WD-22B is ideal for high-end setups needing multiple 4K or 8K displays. The WD-19TB suits professional users requiring dual 4K support. For basic needs, the affordable UD22 provides dual 1080p connectivity without extra power adapters. For optimal performance with your Dell Docking Station, always use certified cables. Dell recommends VISA-certified DisplayPort or HDMI cables to ensure reliable 4K resolution and stable data transfer without signal degradation. Keep your docking station's firmware and drivers up to date. Use Dell's Support Assist or Optimizer software to automatically check for updates, which can resolve compatibility issues and improve performance with Windows 11 or Mac OS. Consider the emerging trend of wireless docking stations. Future models will use advanced Wi-Fi 7 and 6G technology to provide cable-free connections supporting dual 8K displays with virtually no latency. Dell emphasizes sustainability in their docking stations, using recycled materials and eco-friendly packaging. By 2028, expect carbon-neutral docks that minimize e-waste while maintaining high performance. Dual monitor setups enhance productivity, especially for hybrid work. They allow seamless multitasking across applications, improving efficiency for creative tasks, data analysis, and remote collaboration. By following these tips and staying aware of future trends, you can maximize the performance of your Dell Docking Station and dual monitor setup for years to come.